What's poppin', my Indy fam? Y'all, we are here with my son and we're going fidget spinner. We're going fidget shopping. We're trying to find fidgets and kinetic sand and slime and all that good jazz. So we stopped by. Put your mask. Your dad didn't fix your mask, bro. Put that under. Put that over. There you go. Let me see. You masked up?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, they got some stuff right here. We do, but they got sea life slime with crabs in it. And how much is it? $1? Look, but it look, why it look so loose?
It's that
This is fingerprint soap.
It's not supposed to be like this. Hold on a second.
It does.
Excuse me.
Oh, orange.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. Look, we're gonna get that. Slime. And I think they only have 2 choices. What's in that one? Maybe they all like that. They got orange with lobster in it. And yellow with the crab in it. Yeah. They ain't have no colorful chalk?
Oh, they might, yeah. Yeah, they do.
Chalk $5?
No, that's towel thing. I know what chalk is.
What else they got over here?
What this is?
No. Okay. It is. Those are glow. What is that? Like little glow sticks.
That's big.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see no more slime. What's this? That's hand sanitizer for $1. What's that? The chocolate dollar?
Yeah.
What's the difference in these?
One is white.
The one got glitter.
Glow in the dark, chalk.
Oh, get him that.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, we're gonna get those. So we got chocolate and that so far. Tie-dye kids. They got tie-dye kids. They got sidewalk decals. Look. Sidewalk decals. What? Oh. Got Play-Doh right here. This is a body wash pen. This say Play-Doh bath. Do you put it in the tub?
Yeah.
For $1. Huh? It say mold it, shape it, collect all colors, lather up. So it's a bath soap.
Do they see the cup? Oh, he ain't this around.
Yeah, we're not gonna get that. We're gonna go get the other kind. Y'all, so he in here to grab chalk, sea life, slime, and all that good jazz. So we headed to go get some medicine. I just think those are the cutest little dresses. Well, I think we going the wrong way. So we gonna go. I came to see what this was. What? You got a ball in your hand.
I want it.
Why?
I like it. I want it.
He already starting, y'all. I'm on the wrong
I
aisle.
want it.
What ball?
That
$1 is
ball.
$1. Keep it moving.
Well,
He said he don't want it. Why you don't want it?
Oh.
Look, you crying on camera. Y'all, this man here. What? Kinetic sand. It's scented. This is kinetic sand. This is chocolate scent, banana scent. Y'all like haven't found the poppets yet, so we gonna see. They got cappuccino slime. It is the big thing kinetic.
Yeah, the big one.
They got, I don't know. They got this couple slime mix and mash confetti. And I think this one you can get out of ooh. This one you can get out of 5 and Below. This is cute. What you seen, kinetic sand? What you grab? What's that one? Well, this one you can build and cut.
This one?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's not for you.
You want Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Well, he had to play that truck.
What Play-Doh truck? Oh, excuse me. Kingston, calm down. Y'all, when you have a kid that see everything, he want that, but I don't know what he got going on. So he got the Play-Doh. Where can I find the puppet? Oh, they out. They don't have any. And it said they had the green ones. Oh no, I found one. I found one, y'all. I found it.
What's that?
The puppet.
Yep, that's it.
So I found one.
What you need, two?
No, I just need one. I guess. I was trying to find. There's another one. I just need one. Look, dude. What monster truck? Hold on, y'all. We might be finding something monster truck. Where? That's dinosaurs.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that picture.
Right here? That's dinosaurs Play-Doh. They got all kind of Play-Doh things. Grilled cheese. What's that? So we got the puppet.
They haven't made the bees that you make the store.
That's the last one they had.
You got walkie-talkies, dude.
For real.
You got that, man.
Really? A dinosaur? How much that dinosaur is? I'm trying to see what all kind of kinetic sand they got, because we grabbed something, but yeah, we don't need 6 pounds. This was $20. Now it's $14.99. So, did you see these? Did you see these? They got these that were $20, now they're $14.99.
I was looking at that too. That's already it's just the sand though.
Yeah, see this come with, what the hell it come with? I see the cutter, the shaper. Yeah, we coming up with some good old videos for y'all, for real. Tell me, what do y'all think? What should we get? Because I don't know what to get. What you think? Get that one right there, or get the one with the molding where you can push it, smush it. You can make shapes.
I like that one. The molding.
That one?
Yeah.
10 tool outers. Yeah. This one you get to cut too. It's a cutter right there. What's this one got? 2? It must be only got blue and pink. Yeah, it got blue and pink.
Oh, it don't matter. Whichever one.
Or it's that one where you do.
Come for effects. Oh yeah, this
get
one got
the-
more color.
But you don't got the little chopper thing.
They got different color sands too. They got green.
They even got
Brown.
scented.
Which one you want? Pick one. Just pick one. You want that one?
Yo, this man is in heaven right now.
Or this one? You want this one or this one? Okay. No, we can't talk tag it. Got that for it.
Oh, it's a chopper and this cutter in this one too. See it right there? But it only got 2 colors. That one got 3 colors. But it got like a whole bunch of different tools. So what you think? Maybe we should just get them all.
Just get them all.
Just put it all in the cart. Just.
I know this. Slim it in there.
But y'all, I keep showing y'all this, but I really think that might be cool.
That would be cool. That's slim.
Oh, that's cute. That is actually one where he can put like his trucks and stuff inside of the construction site. As you can see.
Oh, I get a little banana smell.
You do? Okay, so
A little banana. Not much.
on to the next, because he got that and that and some slime. So I think we did our job. Our job is done. And he faking. Our job is done. Yes.
Green.
Oh, got dinosaur
They got fat.
and that.
Nickelodeon.
We done here.
Yeah, I think we're done here.
We're done.
And for a good bunny.
Headed to the front. Look, that's slime, baby. But I just seen this slime on. It's 3 pounds, 3 colors in one. Oh.
Okay.
I think we're gonna go with what we already just picked up. Okay. They got scented putty, falling water, alien putty. They got a lot of stuff.
Flush nose.
So y'all be looking out for a video
Nose,
real soon.
Flush nose.
It's stinky. Oh, they got some stuff over here, foam and super cloud slime. Yeah, we went past a lot of stuff because there's a lot of stuff right here. Gummy bear candy lab. Y'all ready? So we made it out of Target, and we didn't do as well as I thought. We found one fidget pop it. We found slime, and we found what else? Play-Doh, but kinetic sand. So okay. So thank you guys for tuning in to this video with your girl and my husband and my son. Y'all look forward to a video on our family channel of us opening everything. So if you're not following my family channel, it is Keeping Up with the Johnsons. I will leave a link here. It's always at the end of all my videos, so go check it out. Subscribe to this channel and that channel, and hit the post notification bell so that you're notified next time that we post a video. Okay?